Ever wondered how much your property is really worth? Welcome to the fascinating world of property valuation. In the real estate realm, property valuation is a key player that often takes a back seat. But what exactly is it? Simply put, it's the process of determining the monetary value of a property by evaluating various factors such as location, size, condition, and comparable property sales in the area. The objective is to derive an accurate and fair market value. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, understanding the significance of property valuation is fundamental to making informed decisions. It's like a compass guiding you through the dynamic and often complex landscape of real estate. So whether you're buying, selling, or investing, property valuation is an essential tool in your real estate toolkit. So let's dive in and start with the basics of property valuation. So, who are the wizards behind the curtain determining the value of your property? They are the property valuers. These professionals are the unsung heroes of the real estate world. Certified and trained to scrutinize every detail, they hold the compass that guides us through the labyrinth of property investment. These experts provide an unbiased assessment of a property's value, unaffected by personal interests or market pressures. Their role, it's monumental. Imagine climbing a mountain without a guide. That's the real estate market without property valuers. They analyze a myriad of factors, from location to size, condition, and even comparable property sales in the area, all to arrive at a fair market value for your property. In the whirlwind of real estate transactions, they stand as the calm in the storm, providing clarity and confidence. With their thorough analysis and unbiased reports, they ensure transparency and fairness in the valuation process. With property valuers, you can trust that the valuation process is transparent, fair, and objective. What makes your property worth what it is? Let's delve into the factors influencing property valuation. First off, location is king in real estate. The proximity to amenities, quality of the neighborhood, and ease of transportation all contribute to a property's value. The size and condition of the property are also significant players. A well-maintained, spacious home will generally command a higher price. Then, there are unique features or upgrades, such as a renovated kitchen or an outdoor pool, which can add a premium to the property's value. But it's not just about the property itself. The wider real estate market conditions, economic trends, and comparable property sales in the area also come into play. These factors provide a valuable context and help to paint a full picture of the property's worth. These factors, when carefully analyzed, help property valuers determine the true market value of a property. If you're buying a home, knowing its true value is key. Let's discuss why. Property valuation is a critical step in the home buying process. It helps you understand how much the property is worth, preventing you from paying more than you should. Picture this. You found your dream home, and you're ready to make an offer. But is the asking price fair? How do you know if you're getting a good deal? That's where property valuation comes in. By assessing the property's location, size, condition, and comparable sales in the area, a property valuer can provide an accurate estimate of its market value. This information is not just essential for negotiating a fair price, but it also plays a crucial role in securing financing. Most lenders require a property appraisal before approving a mortgage, as it reassures them that they're not lending more than the property is worth. For homebuyers, a property valuation is an invaluable tool for making informed decisions. For real estate investors, property valuation is crucial. Let's explore why. An accurate valuation is not just a number, it's a tool that can shape your investment strategy and future financial success. It helps you assess the potential return on investment, commonly known as ROI. By understanding the property's worth, you can calculate the rental yield or capital growth, crucial metrics every real estate investor should consider. Moreover, property valuation aligns with your financial goals. It allows you to determine whether a property is undervalued, fairly priced, or overpriced, guiding you to make smart investment decisions. It's also vital when seeking financing or refinancing, as lenders typically require a recent valuation. Plus, it's a key element when it's time to sell, helping you set a competitive asking price. Remember, a well-informed investor is a successful investor. So, Understand your property's worth and let your investment journey thrive.